Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow or don't allow app notifications on the lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to allow or don't allow app notification on the lock screen. Now after opening the app, click on notifications. Now here in notification types section, you will be able to see a lock screen option. So if you don't allow this app to show notifications on the lock screen, then deselect the lock screen option here, and after deselecting, the blue border will be removed, and now you can see the lock screen notifications are not allowed. And if you want to allow the app to show notifications on the lock screen, then select lock screen, and after selecting it, the border color will be changed to blue and the lock screen notification will be allowed. So that's how you can allow or don't allow app notifications on the lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.